LOA, length overall. LOA is the length measured between the extreme ends of the ship from forward to aft. LWL, length at waterline. LWL is the length measured at the existing waterline, from forward to aft ends of the ship. It varies with the draft of the ship. LBP, length between perpendiculars. LBP is the length measured between the FP and the AP of the ship. It is often used in stability calculations. SLWL, summer load waterline. SLWL is the waterline at which the ship is floating at even keel up to the summer load line in salt water of RD
35 cubic feet per ton or 64 pounds per cubic feet.
FP, forward perpendicular. FP is a vertical line passing through the intersection of the SLWL and the foreside of the stern of the ship. AP, aft perpendicular. AP is the vertical line passing through the intersection of the SLWL and the aft side of the rudder post or the center of the rudder stock, if the rudder post is not fitted. Midship. Midship or amidships is the vertical line passing through the midpoint of the LBP. Breadth. Extreme breadth is the maximum breadth measured between the outside of the ship's sides. Molded breadth is the maximum breadth measured at midship between the inner sides of shipside plating. Depth. Extreme depth is the maximum depth measured along the center line of the ship from the bottom of the keel to the top of the uppermost continuous deck. Molded depth is the vertical distance measured along the ship's sides from the top of the keel to the underside of the uppermost continuous deck. Draft. Draft is the vertical distance measured along the ship's side from the bottom of the keel to the waterline. Molded draft is the vertical distance measured at amidship along the ship side from the top of the keel to the upper edge of the summer load line.